Welcome to this video, which is going to be about the best uninstaller program for your PC. Now if you're watching this, I'm guessing that you want to remove a piece of software, or you just basically want to get rid of any of the files that a piece of software is left behind. What I want to show you now is a program called Final Uninstaller. We've been using a few of these tools such as Revo Uninstaller, Perfect Uninstaller and a few others, and we found that Final Uninstaller is actually the most effective and reliable for any Windows PC. Now as you can see, this is the screen you get when you load up the program. It's a very simple application and it gives you three different options or settings. And the first one is remnants of old software that you've had on your PC and you've now removed. The second is installed applications, and the third one is advanced. Now this is made by a company in China, so they don't think they've had proper English translation, but still it's a pretty effective tool. So to get this started, I just start the install programs, and as you can see already, it's starting to find a lot of tools. Basically what you do is you click scan, and that will send you looking through our PC and find any of the actual programs that are installed already. And what you'll actually find as well is if you'll actually find a lot of programs on here that it will not be in the typical add and remove programs section of Windows, and that actually means it's very good because you're able to actually identify specific folders, files, whatever, and remove them precisely from your PC. So what we have here is it's scanning. What I'm going to do is actually pause this, and then when it's complete I'll come back. As you can see, the scan's now finished and it's come up with all the different programs and files that we've got on this system. Now it's listed 225, and most of those will be Microsoft updates or whatever, and you shouldn't really uninstall those unless you know exactly what you're doing. And basically what you can see as well is rank, which is, as it explains here, rank 2 and 3 programs will run the original installer. Rank 1 basically means that there's no listed uninstall facility, which means that the program will forcibly uninstall it, which is great. So as you can see, there's a lot of different programs on there, and I'm not going to remove any of them with this tool right now because I don't want to get rid of any of these programs. But basically, if you want to get rid of a piece of software from your PC, you just click clean, and it will either load up the original uninstall program or forcibly uninstall it. You'll also notice we've got remnants here, which is basically a way for you to get rid of any of the leftover programs and settings that your PC may have. And what I'm going to show you actually is you actually remove a lot of the junk that this leaves very easily. So what I'm going to do is just select the ones that you want to remove with this and click on clean. Do you want to remove the selected software? Yes. And what it'll do, as you can see, it's going through the registry. It'll also delete files and other settings that these programs have had, and as you can see there, and it will actually just remove them completely from your system. And also it gives you an emergency restore feature, which means that if you accidentally remove any of these programs by accident, it'll get rid of them the remnants and help it run properly again. You just got to be a little bit careful with this because there may be some programs on there which may still be operating on your system. Just double check to make sure, and once you've double checked, just remove any of the programs on here that you don't want anymore, and it will actually clean out all the files and settings that have been placed on your system. And not only is this great for removing programs you don't want, it's also fantastic if you've got programs that will not remove properly either. So once that's done, it should come up, there we go, all done, and it removes them all there. Obviously it's got install programs. Advanced, you have some different features on the advanced section, including the likes of turn on, junk file cleaner, registry cleaner. This is automatic clean, by the way, so it will actually look up any folders or settings that you've got on your system anyway. Also comes with a disk defragmenter, which is actually very effective, and that's the emergency restore feature, and there's a duplicate file cleaner as well. So you've got all these different features. You basically need to just get rid of the files and settings that you want, and after that it'll be able to continually fix your PC on a scheduled basis. So that's basically what Final Uninstaller is. If you've got any programs that you want to get rid of, you can just use this tool. Other than that, you can use the add remove programs feature, but if you're determined to use an actual uninstall program, we highly recommend using Final Uninstaller. Now you can get it from the link in our video description or from this website here, and you'll be able to basically download it, install it. You've got 3 cleans for free, and then after that it's a $29.95 cost. So if you want to use the program to get rid of a specific application, you can do it with the free version, but after that you're going to have to pay to really get rid of any of the infections. I mean, we've paid for this version, and obviously you've just seen how it's able to get rid of all those different problems on there. So anyway, we give it a 5-star. It's our best program, and you can download it from the website here or in the link in the video description. So thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, just leave a comment.